W2S, WooCommerce to Shopify Sync PRO, a complete walkthrough. In this video, we'll walk through how to use W2S, WooCommerce to Shopify Sync to connect your WooCommerce and Shopify stores, configure sync rules, map fields, and automatically sync data between both platforms. By the end of this video, you'll see a real use case where WooCommerce products are synced to Shopify safely and automatically. Section 1, Plugin Overview. W2S is designed to help you sync products, orders, customers, and categories between WooCommerce and Shopify. The plugin is built around four main sections: authentication, config, mapping, and audit. We'll go through each one step by step. Section 2, Authentication, connecting WooCommerce and Shopify. WooCommerce Authentication. Let's start with consumer authentication. On the left, you'll see the WooCommerce connection panel. Here, enter your consumer key and secret from the WooCommerce REST API settings. Once entered, click Authorize. A green connected status confirms that WooCommerce is successfully connected. If it turns to color red, then it has some errors with the connection. Recheck the API keys and try again. Shopify Authentication. On the right, connect your Shopify store. Enter your Shopify store name and the access token generated from the Shopify admin under Apps Develop Apps. Check out the documentation link below to know how to get an access token from Shopify. Click Authorize. And once connected, you'll see the connected status here as well. Section 3, Config, choosing sync direction. Next, move to the Config tab. Here, you can choose the sync direction based on your workflow: WooCommerce to Shopify, Shopify to WooCommerce, and bidirectional sync. For this walkthrough, we'll select WooCommerce to Shopify, which is ideal when WooCommerce is your source store. Section 4, Config, sync timing and automation. Below that, you can define when the sync should run. W2S supports multiple sync timings: on-save sync, real-time, hourly, daily, weekly, and custom schedules. With on-save sync, you can instantly sync your available products, customers, orders, or categories in WooCommerce to Shopify. Just click the Save Configuration button, and the plugin starts to sync. You can also limit sync to products created in the last 24 hours, which is helpful for controlled updates or testing. You can select Custom to sync the records created, updated, or deleted within that date. Section 5, Config, selecting modules and actions. Next, choose which modules you want to sync. W2S allows you to sync products, orders, customers, and categories. For each module, you can control any one action, like create, update, or delete. For example, here we're enabling the product module and the create action. If you want to update the product, then the create action will automatically turn off. Clicking Advanced Sync opens additional controls like filters, which we'll look at next. Section 6, Advanced Filters, sync only what you need. Advanced filters give you precise control over what data gets synced. This WooCommerce to Shopify offers filters for the products, orders, and customers modules. For products, you can filter by WooCommerce categories, stock status, product tags, and product status. This ensures only the selected products are synced, preventing unnecessary data transfers. For example, here we're syncing only products from selected categories like cookware and home appliances. For orders, you can apply multiple order status filters. For customers, you can sync based on user role filters. Click Apply to save the applied filter and then click Save Configuration. Section 7, Mapping, Field Mapping between platforms. Next is the Mapping tab. This is where W2S maps WooCommerce fields to Shopify fields automatically. By default, all essential fields are pre-mapped for you. W2S also supports variable products, including variant price and quantity mapping. Additional fields like vendor, product handle, published date, and update time can also be mapped as needed. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, click Save Mappings. Section 8, How to sync WooCommerce products, orders, and customers to Shopify based on advanced sync filters. Let's look at a real use case. We'll sync WooCommerce products, orders, and customers to Shopify using real-time on-save sync. For that, we have configured the WooCommerce to Shopify sync type. Choose the on-save sync from sync timing for instant sync. Enable products and toggle on the Create button. Click Advanced Sync. We've configured 2 category filters. Next, enable orders, choose an action like Create, then click Advanced Sync. We're going to sync only the completed orders, so let's set that and click Apply. Enable customers, select the Create action. Click Advanced Sync, and let's sync WooCommerce to Shopify. Click Save Configuration to start the sync process. The sync has started now. And completed successfully. As you can see, the product appears in Shopify with the same title, price, stock, images, and categories mapped correctly, without manual imports or CSV files. Let's check the customers. You can see that all our customers are synced. 2 of them have related orders. Now let's verify orders. Our 2 completed orders are synced successfully. Section 9, Audit, Monitoring Sync Activity. Finally, the Audit tab gives you complete visibility into every sync operation. You can view entity type, action performed, sync status, and date and time. Logs can be filtered and downloaded as CSV, making troubleshooting and reporting easy. Section 10, How to sync category/collections. Now let's see how to sync categories to Shopify collections. This is a pro feature. So let's see the categories I have in my Shopify store. You can see these are the collections I currently have in my Shopify store. These are the categories I have in my WooCommerce store. Let's sync it to Shopify. Move to the WooShopify menu. Go to the Config tab. Let's keep the WooCommerce to Shopify sync type and on-save sync timing. You should note here that the previously saved configuration disappears. This will only happen for the on-save sync setting, as you run the sync manually for a time. Okay, let's enable categories and create an action. Click Save Configuration. The sync has started. It's completed now. You can see the sync has completed successfully. That's how W2S simplifies WooCommerce and Shopify syncing. With flexible sync directions, automation, filters, field mapping, and audit logs, W2S gives you complete control over how your data moves between platforms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more advanced sync options inside the plugin. Check out the link in the description.